a single sort of experience in both discovery and assessment and migration. So it can do a lot of things in that. I'm going to give you a bit of a demonstration of this. All right. So here's Azure Migrate. As I said today, it works with vSphere 5.5 and 6.0 right now. It will work with 6.5 as we move into GA, and also Hyper-V. And in this demonstration, you probably saw me do a little bit of this on Monday, but I want to go a little bit deeper into these areas as well. So in this case, basically, you've discovered a bunch of virtual machines, and we can go look at all those virtual machines and what they are. Maybe. You know, I always love it when demos break. Yeah, I know. I forgot. So why are we talking here? I'm going to go install Chrome. I'm sorry, man. The edge on these machines are locked down a little bit. There's some things. So while this is downloading, everyone go to university tonight? Totally. Put my Harry Potter stuff on.